Hey guys, you're in the machine. Today we're working on Crane Bakasana. A lot of people confuse Crow, Kakasana, with Bakasana, but it doesn't really matter because even Indian people don't speak Sanskrit anymore. You really need a pretty good handle on Crow if you're going to hit Crane, but we're going to work on it anyway, and I'm going to show you a few tips. Let's get started. All right, just like with Crow, in Crane, we need external rotation of the arms with the hands still forward. Don't externally rotate and leave your hands out, because with this pose, it's really important that your fingers are busy to keep you from falling forward, just like your feet would be busy to keep you from falling forward if you were standing upright, like leaning into the wind or something. So, here's what it's gonna look like eventually. Same like we're setting up Crow. External rotation, knees are plugged in high at the armpits, hips come up, arms come under me. Rather than go to Crow and have to press out, I like to bring my hips extra high and get my arms nearly straight. Then, when I bring my knees up, I can lock out my elbows and engage my core to make this crane instead of Crow. A couple of things to understand. What's keeping you up is not so much the connection of your knees to your armpits, but it's your core squeezed like crazy and engaged. You'll know you have that if you get in place and you're locked out and you can unhook without flopping down, okay? So, something else, you're leaning forward a little bit more, which compresses the heck out of your wrists. My forearms, you can probably see, are slightly leaning in the direction of my shoulders. Just like practicing your chaturanga, when we do that forward shift, it starts conditioning the wrists to compress. So, rather than go Crow and have to lock out your triceps, try to bring your hips high, pull your arms under you, then lean in, and as you pull up with your feet, trying to get your heels to your butt, you're also squeezing your core so you're not sliding down off the elbows. One more time. Arms out, external rotation. Right now I squeeze. Knees go high to my armpits. Palms down, fingers always parallel, about shoulder width. Hips go up, hands plant. I get my arms nearly locked out straight. Now I squeeze the ground, feet go up, lock out those elbows, looking forward, not down at your thumbs, for 3, 2, 1. Crane pose. All it takes is practice.
But the whole point of the machine is to relieve you of that suffering.